Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in tech and gear. And today, camera nerds, get ready, Sony is back at it again. We're talking about the Sony A7V, also rumored as the Sony A7V, and it looks like Sony's about to drop one of the most insane hybrid cameras we've seen in a long time. The Sony A7V. Why should you care? Look, if you're into photography, filmmaking, or just flexing on your friends with the latest gear, this one's for you. The Sony A7 series has always been the go-to for creators who want pro-level quality without carrying a camera the size of a microwave. And now, the A7V is pushing the boundaries. Even further, think cutting-edge autofocus powered by AI 4K 120 frames per second for those silky, smooth, slow-motion shots. And a brand new 44-megapixel sensor that's basically made for crispy detail and dynamic range, as Sony's giving us a camera that's smarter, faster, and cooler literally. Specs that'll make your wallet cry, but in a good way. According to the latest leaks, here's what we're looking at. Sensor, 44MP full-frame BSI CMOS processor, dual Bions XR plus AI chip for all that machine learning magic. Video, 4K at 120 frames per second, 10-bit 4:2:2 color science, plus S-Log3 and Cine Tone, basically Netflix-level video autofocus. Real-time AI tracking for humans, animals, birds, cars, maybe your Roomba too. Stabilization, 5-axis IBIS with up to 8 stops, say goodbye to shaky hands. Burst mode, up to 15 frames per second, capture the action before it even happens. ISO, dual native ISO, for clean low-light shots from 100 to 51,200 native ports, dual card slots, CF Express and UHS-2 SD, full-size HDMI, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, headphone and mic connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and pro-grade tethering build, rugged, weather-sealed, and designed for the real world. Not a glass display case, the 10 killer features you'll want, 44MP sensor. Finally, pro-level detail without going full A7 or crazy 4K 120 frames per second. Slow motion that doesn't suck. AI autofocus. It finds faces, eyes, cars, birds, basically reads your mind. Unlimited 4K recording, built-in passive cooling, so no more overheating dramas. ProRes RAW. Expect it, hook it up to an external recorder and go full cinema mode. Dual native ISO. Clean nighttime shots without that ugly grain 0.8 stop IBIS. Like having an invisible gimbal in your camera body. Better JPEGs. If you don't want to edit RAW, your straight-out-of-camera shots will still look fire. New ergonomics. Redesigned grip, button layout because comfort matters on long shoots. Faster connectivity. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for zippy file transfers on the go. Release date. When's it dropping? Announcement. Probably March 2025 at CP Plus in Japan. Pre-orders. Expect them to go live right after the reveal. Shipping. Global release somewhere around June or July 2025. Mark your calendars, people. The price tag. How much will you cry? Body only. Expect around $2,499 to $2,599 with kit lens. Somewhere in the $2,799 to $2,999 zone. Final thoughts. Should you start saving now? Honestly, if even half of these leaks are true, the Sony A7V is going to be the hybrid king of 2025. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more camera drops, and hit the bell so you don't miss the A7V hands-on review when it finally drops. Till next time, keep creating, stay inspired,